bad thing about leaving this in here is the light dries out the water that you're supposed to leave in the sensor area. Because it's got a sensor at the bottom, which is what that little rubber tip you see is. But you can keep water in there, not a lot, but a little, couple droplets, so a couple drops. And then what that does is it keeps the sensor a little bit moist so it doesn't get fucking broken or whatever the fuck they said. I don't know, just keep a little bit of water on it, right? I try. But when I forget and leave it in here, that light zaps the humidity, because that's one thing the light is doing, is getting rid of some of that moisture. Unless it's a lot of moisture in the air, but it is Missouri. My humidity is currently at 63 degrees, and my humidifier is currently broken. It's been shut down for a couple weeks, but I guess I can investigate it coming up, and I might do a video about that. Let me know in the comments. Shouts out to the replay gang, because if you're this far into the replay, you are finding some value from this video, which we appreciate that. But since it is the first, and I just got some water, I can go ahead and add water to this cactus. And now it's all nice and re-moistened. This cactus should be doing good because I call myself trying to make sure I give it the least instead of doing the most, because it's a cactus. It doesn't need a lot of water. It just needs water whenever it's going to get water, right? Yeah, see? Once a month on the first, every first, right? Water everything in here. Boom, there you go. Speaking of which, let me get this cactus over here. Because for those who know, when you water your plants, okay, it is always best for most plants, depending on what they are, to bottom water, which is why you see them in the tray. Shouts out to them being in the tray, because guess what? We just pour water in the bottom of the tray, and now the plants will graciously accept the water from the bottom of the plants. You see what I'm saying? The soil is going to moisten itself from the bottom up, and we just let them sit here until we see the water's gone. Because it's not too much water, and whatever they don't want will be there for a while. So that's how easy it is. You dig? I see the plants start looking like they're getting that nice vibrant dosage of water, which if I'm in here long enough today, you'll be able to see the difference here in like 20 minutes. So yeah, just go ahead and look at them. They're going to be doing their thing. Now, the one that I do have to be cautious with is this succulent right here, because the first time I watered them, it didn't like my watering process. But it's been slowly but surely recovering ever since. But you see, it's doing its own little thing. You see what I'm saying? So I'm going to take it out of there quite quickly because it didn't like a lot of water. You dig? So I'll be back over here to get that out. But then the rest will just sit until I see the water's done its thing. You'll be able to notice the visible changes, hopefully, because you know, you got to get out your Einsteins and look at what's going on. But anyways, back to the. I need to roll up before I bring some stuff back in here and go out here and do some other stuff. Yeah, because we finna go out there and do some stuff. We might actually go ahead and get the mixing and all of that part in.